High temperature 3D printer Magic HTL. Max print size is 31×48 cm. Its max chamber temperature is 90 Celsius. It adopts carbon fiber plate as platform. It can reach to 150 Celsius. Its max nozzle temperature is 450 Celsius. Quick replacement extruder head. Click to preheat the printer. Load the PIC 3D filament. And choose the file to print. The double extrusion head design allows you to easily achieve two-color printing and support printing. It has power failure recovery function. Filament absent warning function is also available. Its simple operation, precise printing, stable and durable. If you want to know more about our product, please contact us on Alibaba.com.